Hello everyone, I am a DIY person and I would like to share my user experience. I bought this device, Xtool A30M, to help me with preventive maintenance on the dual clutch transmission or DCT on my car, a Hyundai Tucson year 2017. The car ran 91,000 miles so far, as you can see on the dashboard, and the average lifetime of the dual clutch assembly is about 100,000 miles. This means that I expect the car to develop issues with the dual clutch assembly in the year to come. And this is where the device, A30M, will help me. So let me show you the functionality of the device. First, to get it working, I had to pair it with a dongle, which for this car is located under the steering wheel. And I had to pair it with my phone by going to the Bluetooth menu here on top. Then I had to install this app, and for that I used the QR code located on the side of the box it came with. And then I had to go to settings, select Bluetooth, and then, as you can see, the correct dongle was picked up by the device. The first operation I tend to do is to go to auto scan. And here it will check the car. And as you can see, it correctly picked up that it's a Hyundai, it's a Tucson. And I have to say that it's this model. Now, it will show a summary of what it was able to identify. I'll click OK. And then it will offer me the possibility to run a diagnostics, an automatic scan. And there are many tests it will run, and it will keep on running them. I'm particularly interested in the automatic transaxle one, so I will hit pause for now. And then go to diagnostic. What I can do is read the codes, error codes, and as you have seen, there are no error codes. I can clear them. I can also see live data. So you see, for example, the voltage of the TCU transmission control unit is this amount. And I can also do some actuator tests. I can engage the odd and the even clutch. So there are two, for this car, there are two rods. I can engage the first gear, second gear, third gear, and so on, because it's an automatic transmission. I have done it before the video and it worked fine. Let me go back, and I want to show you another functionality which will be very relevant for the kind of work that I will need to carry out. It will ask me to save as a report all the information that we have seen on the screen. The sensor values will be saved as a report. The functionality I wanted to show you is this one. I go to special function, and among the many things that are shown here on the screen that we can do, it's the Gearbox Adaptation that I'm particularly interested. I will select Hyundai. Again, it will have to identify the car. I have to say what the model, the specific model. It will give a summary. And this bit is what I'm particularly interested in, the dual clutch transmission. And it's not so much the transmission part, but dual clutch part, which I'm interested in. And this is the functionality, the key functionality for me. After I will mechanically replace the old dual clutch with a new dual clutch, I have to tell the transmission control unit that something has changed. And you need to forget about the old wear parameters and associate it and start learning and adapting to the new dual clutch assembly. And this is the functionality which will become key for me. And to conclude, this is a reasonably priced device that has the functionality that I need, and as a DIYer to carry out preventive maintenance on a dual clutch, and so far I'm pleased with it. So thank you.